it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to continue with our How to Make Money on YouTube series. So this is part 4 in the series. If you missed the 3 previous videos, I'll drop a link to them below for you. Go ahead and check those out. So in this series we're focusing on how you can make money on YouTube without having to go ahead and appear on camera and create your own videos. So basically, how you can make money on YouTube without creating content and videos, and just simple and easy ways and free ways that you can earn money on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and have a look at this niche or topic here. So this is fitness exercises. Now you can see on here, all of these videos on here, these are all incredibly popular videos on YouTube. Anything to do with fitness, weight loss, these types of videos, they always do well. And as you can see here, let me just scroll down and show you some of these videos here. So this one here, 5 best exercises for men. So this is just, it's a 3-minute video and it's just this guy who goes over some exercises. If I then scroll down, let me come down here. So we've got this one here, top 5 best exercises to get a big back. So this is just a guy in the gym lifting weights, as you can see here. And it's only a 6-minute video. If I scroll down here, we've got, look at this one, 7 million views. So this guy uploaded this 7 years ago, so he's averaging 1 million views a year. Top 7 muscle gaining exercises. It's just a guy going ahead and lifting weights on here. And again, it's not a very long video. But then scroll down the page, you've got more. They're all predominantly videos of guys lifting weights, really. So this got me thinking, like, this niche is very popular. It's very it is competitive. I'm not going to lie to you. It's a competitive niche. But what you can do is, there's something on YouTube which is called piggybacking videos. So in terms of piggybacking a video, what you do is you come onto YouTube and you find a video which is very popular. And then what you do, so for example with this one here, my top 5 exercises, this person here, you would come into this video, you would have a look at the title, you would have a look at the video and see if you can go ahead and create your own video which is similar. So let's do a real life example. So this one here, top 5 exercises that increase your athletic performance. So you'd come in here and have a look at this video here. Come on. And you try and have a look at this video. So you'd come into YouTube, you would find your videos, and then once you've found a video that you're happy with and that you want to go ahead and try and recreate yourself, we're then going to go and get the videos. And I'll show you in a second how you can go and find these videos for free. Really simple, really easy. It'll literally take you a couple of minutes. But the first thing what I would recommend to you to do is... Why is this not loading up? Oh, here we go, it's loading up now. The first thing that I would recommend for you to do is to go and get an extension called Vid Iq. Now this is absolutely free and I've shared this many a times on the channel. Vid Iq, it will go and let you have a look at a video and it will share all of the information about the video. It will show you their tags. It will show. I'm going to show you here on this right hand side. For whatever reason, it's going ridiculously slow today, so I apologise about that. So you'd go into each video, you'd find a video that you're happy with, and then all you're going to do, so you'd have a look at the title here. You'd have a look at the description. Now you wouldn't just copy this word for word, but you'd go in and you have a look at this and just see what you can do to replicate it basically, but in your own way. Now you wouldn't just copy it like for like. It's called piggybacking videos. You then go and create a similar video of your own and put your own spin on it. So if you just scroll down here, so on the right hand side, bearing in mind I've got this Vid Iq extension on here, so you want this. I'm going to go and pause this guy here. So if I scroll down the page here, you can see on the right hand side here, so with the Vid Iq extension, it will go ahead and it will give you some information about the channel. So you can see here how many total views this channel here has had, the daily views. So in the last 30 days, this channel here, this Muscle and Strength, has had over it's come up to 4 million views. Now, what I like about the Vid Iq extension is you see here, if I just click on there, I would be able to go ahead and look, you see there, copy tags to clipboard. So that's one of the reasons why I recommend that you go and get Vid Iq, because once you've got these tags here, once you've got the video, you've got the title, you've got the description, you've then got the tags on here. All you need to do next is go ahead and create the video. And the really simple way to do this is to go and use free stock footage. Now, there's many different sites that you can go and find free stock footage. So let me go and share these two ones here with you. So this is the first one. It's called videvo.net, and again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. There's another one that I found over here. I mean, I say I found, or just go into Google and type in free videos. So there's this one here. I mean, there's Pexels, there's Pixabay. There's hundreds of these sites where you can basically come over to these sites and you can download the videos for absolutely free. So like this one here, deadlift video. This is a 40-second video. This is a guy just basically doing deadlifts on here. You've then got over here, you've got heavy weights. If I scroll down the page down here, you've got more exercise videos on here. I mean, there's just lots and lots of these on here. You can see all of these ones here. There's a guy doing pull-ups here. What's this one here? We've got someone using a kettlebell again. We've got dumbbells over here, and that is just on this one site here. This is just over on Pexels, and I've typed in weightlifting here. So there's lots and lots of options in here. If I go over to this site here, this is the Videvo. Now again, scroll down here. On this site here, I've just typed in, what have I typed in here? I've typed in fitness. So I've come into the fitness category. You can see there's 153 video clips in here. So if you just scroll down here, how this works on here is you just hover over and show you what the video looks like. So again, you've got someone lifting weights. You've got someone here doing the press-ups in a boxing gym, and basically you just hover over each video and it will go ahead and show you a preview of the video. Then if you want this, you simply click on free download like this. Simply like this, click on here, it'll go through to a free download for you. You just click on there, free download, and then it starts downloading for you. So how do you do this? How do you do the whole process and bring this all together? So once you've gone onto YouTube, you've found a video that you're going to piggyback. You've looked at the description, you've looked at the tags, and you've also looked at the title. You're then going to go over onto the free stock video sites. Once you've gone on these free stock video sites, you're going to download a bunch of these videos. It's up to you. What I would recommend is have a look at how long each clip is, but you want to be looking at a minimum of, I'd say a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes for your total clip. Once you've then got your videos, then just go onto a free software editing platform, whether that is Windows Movie Maker, that's absolutely free if you've got a laptop. You've got the iMovie Maker, you've got Screencast-O-Matic, you've got Hit Film 4 Express. There's just lots and lots of these free sites where you can go ahead and just basically put all of the put together all of the videos that you have downloaded, put on an intro, put on an outro, and then that is pretty much it. You would take that video, you would upload it to YouTube. And then if you go back over to video 1, where we look at how you can go onto different sites like ClickBank or Warrior Plus, and then you can go and find different products that you want to promote on YouTube. That is another great way how you can make money on YouTube, because what you'll find over time is you can start making some money from ad revenue, and then you can also make some extra money from affiliate marketing. So there's 2 different ways that you can make money with this method. That is today's video. It's all simple, it's all easy. All it will take on your behalf is a little bit of time to go on YouTube and find some just type in anything that you're particularly interested in. Once you've typed it into YouTube, just go over to these different sharing sites here and type it in. It can be absolutely anything. These sites here, they've got hundreds and hundreds of videos available on here, and when I was looking into this in the past, because I've done an online course before about video sites, there's about I think there's about 350 free video sites where you can go ahead and find these videos, and they're all broken up into different categories on here, so you will absolutely find what you're looking for. If you don't find it on one website, you'll be able to find it on another website. So that is today's video. That is part 4 in the series. Part 5 will be coming up. If you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and leave them below. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.